Alright, so we're just finishing up all the 8-to-1 tubing and rod. Actually just pulling a little fixture off that we used to hold all the tube positions where they needed to go. And the way that it worked was just got some keyways and some holes. Keeps everything nice and concentric. So now the plan is we'll break each one of the individual tubes, weld the 2 3/8 to 2 1/2 sections, and then we'll put that fixture back in place. And once it goes on, we'll make a mark where the cuts need to go, so all the lengths of the tubes are correct. And then after that, we can start on the next part of it. And by we, I mean this guy. I'm just gonna hang out in my office, I think.
Show him your office.
Yeah, and by office, I mean the shelf with a laptop on it. It's currently playing Top Gun, so it's doing its job. But pretty sweet. Yeah, what a fitting song playing while it's going together. Way rad, can't wait.